Hello friends, welcome to my channel Indian Mom Cooking. Today I'm going to show you all how to cook fish fry. So today I've taken pomfret fish, so it's like 5 pieces of pomfret fish, and I'm going to cook this with the basic kitchen masalas available in your kitchen. So let's get started and let's see the detailed procedure how to make this fish fry. And if you're still new to my channel, click on that subscribe button and also the bell button so that next time if I upload a new video you all be getting notifications that I have uploaded a new video. So now let's jump into the video now. So I've taken this fish pieces. These are pomfret fish pieces, and washed it with plenty of water and applied a coat of turmeric powder. And now I'm going to poke these fishes with the help of a fork so that the masala gets well into the fish pieces. So just use a fork and gently poke into the fishes. Now keep it aside and we'll make the masala. So today, to make the fish masala, we need 1 spoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 spoon of plain red chili powder, half spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of cumin powder, 1 spoon of coriander powder, and half a spoon of pepper powder, and required salt for the fish fry. And now I'm going to take about a spoonful of ginger garlic paste. And I make ginger garlic paste fresh so that it contains all the flavor and it doesn't have any preservative in it. And just mix it all together. And now I'm going to, I've already soaked up a lemon sized tamarind in like a half cup of water, and I'm going to take out the juice from it. And I'm going to use the juice and mix it up with the masala. And make it into a paste consistency. It should not be runny, and you can very well use your fingers to blend in the masala. And I'm going to mix it thoroughly. So add little by little the juice of the tamarind. So it should not be runny. So the consistency that I'm looking for is this, like this. And now I'm going to tear some curry leaves and I'm going to add it into the masala. So this gives you a lot of flavor. It's optional. If you want them, you can add it. And now I'm going to rub the masala well into the fishes like this. So do it on each side until the masala gets coated well into the fish pieces. And I'm going to marinate this fish for about 10 minutes. You can marinate up to half an hour. At least of 10 minutes of marination gives you a lot of flavor. So I'm done coating the masalas into the fishes, and I'm just going to keep it aside for 10 minutes. And now I'm going to take a flat tawa. It's a non-stick tawa. So I usually place the fish pieces first and then pour in the oil. So this way the masala gets well coated with the fish. It doesn't come off. So this is a simple trick given by my mom. And it really works actually. And I'm going to take the remaining masala, just coat on the other side of the fish. And make sure to keep the flame on medium. Otherwise it will get burnt. And now I'm going to pour in some 2 tablespoons of oil all around the fish pieces. And as I told you, keep the flame on medium and cook each side of the fish pieces like 5 to 7 minutes. So cook the fishes for 5 to 7 minutes on medium flame. And yes, it's been like 5 to 7 minutes, and I'm going to flip the fishes. Now cook the other side of the fish for like 3 to 5 minutes. It cooks faster on the other side. So be gentle while flipping it. So as you all can see, the masala gets well coated into the fish pieces. It doesn't come off. And follow this trick and let me know in the comment section. And again, I'm going to cook the other side of the fish on medium flame for about 3 to 5 minutes. And that is all. This is how you make like fish masala or fish fry very easily, and it tastes yummy. And please do try it at home and let me have the pictures if you tried it, and send me to my mail, which is in the description box. And that's it. Yummy fish fry is ready. You can very well add some lemon juices and with some onion. It tastes yummy. And you can try this masala with any of the fish kind. And that is all about today's video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. I will all catch you in my next video. Stay happy.